The HIN House is in a recently created suburban region of Danang City with a panoramic view of the gorgeous Han River. This house is a new spot where a three-generation family can live comfortably together. Woodworking is their traditional trade that has been passed down through generations, and it is the fundamental reason for using wood as the primary material for this project. This approach not only provides comfort and nostalgia, but it also maximizes cost savings because the homeowners engage in the construction's woodworking process. The rural village is strongly ingrained in the family's generation's childhood memories. Because the design team does not want to break their familiar scenery, lifestyle, and customs when moving to the city, the house's structure combines typical rural architecture components. In Vietnamese, HIên refers to a veranda, which is a covered space with a roof that serves as a buffer zone between the inside and exterior of the house. It is not just an accent but also a typical architectural feature that complements central Vietnam's tropical environment. Some functions are laid out similarly to the layout of their rural home, as the team believes that habituation is the most important factor. The design revolves around the interaction of humans and nature. Green spaces are smoothly blended into the living rooms, producing a seamless connection between nature and daily activities. This creates a comfortable environment for beneficial species while preventing pests and destructive creatures by growing fragrant herbs that efficiently repel them. The vegetable garden occupies a portion of the green space, adding to the overall landscape while also providing a fresh supply of agricultural food for the family's consumption. This project uses wood salvaged from old structures to finish the roof framework, stairs, and interior furniture. Without any chemical surface treatments, the natural features of the wood are kept. Both materials and labor are sourced locally, resulting in economic efficiency, environmental protection, and the construction's long-term viability. The HIN House is more than simply a house. It is a sign of love and enthusiasm for the family's traditional skill, as well as a location where family bonds are strengthened. The designer team hopes to leave a meaningful impression on the cultural essence of the motherland within the ever-changing urban backdrop by integrating modern and traditional components in harmony.